Meizu 17 series launching in China on 17 April. Motorola Edge Plus render. During an event, this poster has been seen where the price of Honor upcoming phone has been mentioned. The price of Honor 30 Pro can be 4,999 yuan, it may be the top-end variant price of Honor 30 Pro. Huawei Nova 7 poster leaked. One can clearly see that the phone is in two different colors, dual-hole punch curved display can be. LG Folder 2 SD 210, OnePlus 8GB 2.8 QVGA, external screen 0.9, mono 2 MP, 1470 mAh, 127 GSOS key, voice assistant key 4/17, 198,000 Korean won, $162. Honor 30 series official poster and stage is set. Honor 30 Pro Plus zooming capacity share by Honor official. The main concern is that its support 30x only. The iQOO Neo 3 will cost 2,998 yen. Huawei is promoting itself for rollable, sliding phones. It's look like almost Huawei Mate X but concept are different. Tomorrow DxO release Honor 30 Pro Plus camera score. Rescuer eSports mobile phone preheats 90W wired fast charge. The poster is suggesting that it is full of 4000 mAh in 15 minutes.
OnePlus 8 series pricing. OnePlus 8 Pro, 8GB, 128GB $899. 12GB, 256GB $999. OnePlus 8, 8GB, 128GB $699. 12GB, 256GB $799. OnePlus Bullets wireless set $49.95.